Not wearing a seatbelt, that is very dangerous. Due to the fact of accidents could happen, the student or the young teen could be ejected from the car. I think it's the best thing of wearing a seatbelt to be the proper way to be.
I wear a seatbelt because I don't want to get pulled over. I wear a seatbelt because I want to stay safe.
I wear a seatbelt while driving because I want to feel comfortable in my car.
I wear a seatbelt because I want to protect others in the car.
I wear a seatbelt.
I wear a seatbelt.
I wear a seatbelt.
I wear a seatbelt.